from the Indian and today we're at the airport in the Taiwan, Taipei area, and we found this machine while we were transiting it in Taiwan, Taipei, before we go to Vietnam. So this, we have to check it out. So roll the clip. So this is how you do it. There's only one option left, so I'll go with this. Classic blend. Okay. Select ice level.
Just normal ice.
Okay, normal ice. Add to cart.
Only one?
Yeah.
Okay.
And check out.
Okay, and now we're gonna. Here, so like.
No, we have to pay first.
Yeah.
Like, yeah.
At this coffee shop, there's no like people working here. It's just like a machine, and they like it's gonna make for us.
Wow, look at that. Look how cool is that? You take your coffee and go to,
You literally see your face in there.
go to the coffee machine. Take a cup. The robot's so good. I wonder how they make those.
Technology.
But like, how is it? How did they do that? Like, so
Go to
perfect?
ice station. You take the coffee.
This is so professional.
Wow.
Now they'll give it to us. Yay. And now this should appear up here. Yeah, so I think it'll go up this area. It's loading. OMG.
Wow.
That's so cool. Perfect.